so gonna drive me nuts. And it's nighttime. But if you don't believe me, I'll show you. Say hi, camera. Hey friends, it's Cal. And this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion. My partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up, but it's a little late and everyone's asleep, so just take my word for it. It's been a wild ride to get here, but guys, I am so excited to have you along for the journey as we are finally attempting to make our way all the way across the country and back. So, between breakdowns, kittens, and a whole lot of driving, we've also managed to make a few fun stops along the way, and today is no exception. We're gonna be taking you somewhere I honestly had no clue even existed, so buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Oh. Yeah, no, I'll check in with you later. Bye.
Alrighty friends, it is the next day.
Sounds like there's Christmas music playing. I think it's just a train compilation. What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois. I guess we're in Illinois. We just spent the past couple of days going through Kentucky. And today, I think we're headed to another national park?
Gateway Arch.
I've honestly never heard of it. I think it'll be your first, all of our first times. Do you know anything about this one place?
The Gateway Arch?
Yeah, where's the Gateway Arch?
It's on the border of Missouri and Illinois in St. Louis. It's basically, from my understanding, like the mark of the westward expansion and Lewis and Clark and
Whoa, okay,
yeah.
okay.
It's a symbol for traveling west.
Alright.
And so
So-
is this Bucky's truck.
So we're gonna head west. My eyebrow is almost better, by the way. Look at it. Zephyr, are you ready? Are you ready for a drive? hold it up like this.
Happy Papa!
Lay down. These kids are taking photos of the bus.
It's so cool.
Quiet, lay down. I'm gonna go grab 20 bucks. You want me to get your denim jacket?
Now I want it.
You stay.
Baby. Hey, Dad. What the?
I have a gate.
What is that sound, Ryder? Do you see the big helicopter?
Come here, we're gonna go through this big arch. Big arch.
was that. Apparently that's just there. It's a thing. I don't know. Fun fact, I think you can like literally go inside the thing. No, thank you. Nope, I'm all set. Are you guys ready for the thing? Cause I am, and I want to turn these lights off. I just tripped on a crock. Thank you guys so much for watching. I mean, if you did, you could totally like this video. Maybe leave a comment down below letting me know if this is a spot you would totally check out. And lastly, you can subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure. I know I am. Okay, I'll see you guys down the road. Bye.
Bashed into the windshield and stayed lit. So we had glow-in-the-dark bug gusts for 50 miles.